Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Kawasaki Versys 650 LT. That's the one with the hand guards and the locking side cases. Beautiful matte silver paint scheme, adjustable windscreen. It's got GV engine guards, only 3,500 miles. This bike is priced to sell at just $64.99. If you missed the last one, don't miss this one. Come on down, check it out. Twin cylinder, 650, fuel injected, liquid cooled, adventure sport, great for commuting. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah, did I mention ABS brakes? Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.